The topic of today's video is how to fund your Webull account. So here we are on Webull. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice. This is just a tutorial. Now, the first thing that we want to do is head over to the transfer section right on the top here. And in here, we want to click on deposit. Now we need to choose our currency, and these are the only two available currencies we can work with. Now, over here is where we will get the banking details for our Webull account or Webull in general. And we are going to copy all this information into our banking app. Make sure to have the correct reference number so they know who this funds belong to. And when you're done, just click on I completed my transfer. And then Webull will take it from there. You can read the reminder or disclaimer here at the bottom, as it will take a while for the funds to appear in your account, and there are minimum amounts that you can send at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Do keep in mind that this is in no way legal advice and you incur any risk fully on your own accord. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.